Ever come home from a camping trip with blisters, soggy feet, or frozen toes, all because of bad socks? Yeah, the wrong pair can ruin your whole trip. Today on Outdoor Kit Pro, we're ranking the 10 best camping socks of 2026, covering warmth, comfort, durability, and price, so you can find the perfect pair before your next adventure. Let's go! Kicking things off with something fun, the Iris God Funny Camping Socks are a crew-length novelty sock made from an 80% cotton blend that's soft, breathable, and moisture-wicking. The double-sided outdoor knit pattern looks great, but the real gem is the hidden "I'd rather be camping" message printed on the non-slip soles. One size fits US 6 to 12, so they work for most people. These are hands down one of the most popular camping gift items on Amazon right now, and it's easy to see why. They're comfortable enough for casual wear and charming enough to make someone's day. A perfect gift for any camper who has a sense of humor. Next up, the Lovely Outdoors Novelty Socks bring serious style to your sock drawer, with camping-themed patterns featuring tents, mountains, and campfires. They're made from an 85% cotton blend with arch support, a ribbed cuff, and reinforced heel and toe, so they actually hold up on casual outdoor walks. Sizes run from men's 6 to 12 and women's 7 to 13. These are one of the top-rated casual camping socks on Amazon because they balance fun design with real everyday comfort. They're not built for hardcore hiking, but for weekend trips and campsite lounging, they totally deliver. A great pick for campers who want comfort and character. Number 3. Alvada Merino Wool Hiking Socks. Now we're getting serious. The Alvada Merino Wool Hiking Socks are one of the best overall camping socks you can buy right now. With an 80% merino wool blend, you get natural moisture wicking, thermal insulation, and a non-itch finish that makes them comfortable for all-day wear. They come as a 3-pack in small, medium, and large, with a cushioned footbed built for real trail use. This is a consistent Amazon bestseller for a reason. It delivers performance-level features at a price that won't hurt your wallet. Whether you're hiking in cool weather or camping through a cold night, these socks handle it beautifully. The best overall value on this entire list. Coming in at number 4, the Hot Socks Women's Camping Crew Socks are part of the brand's original art legacy, and they show it. Made from a 53% cotton blend with a ribbed leg and lightweight thickness, these are designed as much for style as they are for comfort. They fit women's sizes 4 to 10.5 and bring a genuinely artistic flair to casual outdoor wear. They're not built for heavy trekking or intense trails, but for lodge wear, light walks, or glamping weekends, they're a lovely choice. The graphic design quality is noticeably above average compared to other fashion socks in this price range. Best for campers who want to look good around the fire. Number 5. Dickies Dry Tech Moisture Wicking Crew Socks. Halfway through our list, and the Dickies Dry Tech Moisture Wicking Crew Socks are here to represent pure, rugged durability. Built from a 78% cotton blend with ventilation channels, arch compression support, and reinforced heel and toe, these are engineered for all-day toughness. You can grab them in packs of 6 to 18 pairs, great value for regular use. The Dry Tech Moisture Management System actively pulls sweat away from your skin, keeping your feet dry even through long, sweaty days on the trail. These are the kind of socks you buy once and just keep reaching for. Best for work-style camping or anyone who needs heavy-duty, long-lasting gear. Number 6. Cloth Clothes Vintage Wool Socks. If style and warmth are equally important to you, meet the Cloth Clothes Vintage Wool Socks, a 5-pack of thick Nordic-patterned crew socks that look like they belong in a mountain cabin. The blend of 35% wool, cotton, and polyester gives you solid thermal warmth without the full itchiness of pure wool. An elasticated cuff keeps them snug and in place all day. These are hugely popular for glamping, cold cabin nights, and anyone who wants their campsite outfit to actually look good. They're not performance hiking socks, but for warmth and aesthetics, they absolutely nail it. A top pick for the stylish, comfort-first camper. Number 7. Magay Women's Merino Wool Thermal Socks. For cold weather campers, the Magay Women's Merino Wool Thermal Socks are built to keep your feet warm when temperatures really drop. This merino wool blend features full cushioning padding, a seamless toe to prevent blisters, and a high-density knit specifically engineered for maximum heat retention. They're designed with extreme cold in mind from the ground up. The seamless toe design is a standout feature because it eliminates that irritating seam that causes hot spots on longer hikes. Between the cushioning and the heat retention, your feet stay warm, dry, and blister-free all day. Best for women who camp in cold conditions and need serious thermal performance. Number 8. Alvada Warm Thermal Wool Socks. If you thought the first Alvada pair was good, the Alvada Warm Thermal Wool Socks are the performance upgrade, built specifically for sub-zero temperatures and high-altitude camping. Still running on that 80% merino wool formula, these add full-loop cushioning, breathable mesh zones, and heavyweight thermal insulation across the entire foot. These are the socks you reach for when the forecast looks brutal and you need every bit of warmth you can get. The breathable mesh zones are a smart touch. They prevent overheating during active hiking while still keeping you warm at rest. The best cold weather performance sock on this list. Coming in near the end, the Anlasim Merino Wool Hiking Socks are your best bet if you want professional hiking features without the premium price tag. This 3-pair pack is made from an 80% merino wool blend with elastic arch support, impact-absorbing cushioning, and a seamless toe closure for blister prevention. They're versatile enough for trail hikes, camping, or just cold days at home. At the price point these land at, the quality is genuinely impressive. You're getting most of the performance of high-end hiking socks for significantly less. They also make a great stocking stuffer for the outdoorsy person in your life. The best budget hiking sock pack on this entire list. Closing out our list of the best camping socks, the Urism Aesthetic Camping Socks are the go-to choice for warm weather camping, festivals, and outdoor casual style. Made from a lightweight cotton elastic blend with a breathable knit and a comfortable elastic band, these prioritize airflow and all-day wearability over thermal warmth. The smiling face and outdoor graphic designs are genuinely unique and eye-catching. These aren't built for cold nights or intense trails. They're made for summer camp vibes, casual hikes, and expressing your outdoor personality. If you're heading to a music festival or a sunny weekend campout, these are an easy, affordable win. Best for summer campers who want lightweight style. And that's your complete guide to the best camping socks of 2026. For overall performance, the Alvada Merino 3-pack is hard to beat. And for serious cold weather, the Alvada thermal version is the real deal. All links are in the description below. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to OutdoorKitPro, and ring that bell. Which pair are you grabbing? Drop it in the comments. See you on the trail.